up, good people?
It's Brian and Mercy right here with another episode, and I'm psyched up for this one. Are you psyched up for this?
Yeah, I'm so psyched up, people. Guess what you're going to cook? Guess what?
Omena.
Yeah, most people say that Omena is so smelly. We have the solution.
Yeah, she's going to cook it in the best way you've never seen.
So yummy, so sweet, my people. So today we have the coriander leaves right here, the coriander stems, the green pepper, there is carrot over here, there is this one, there is 2 tomatoes, the beetroot, onion, there is this one paprika, these are cumin seeds, this is cinnamon, and this is curry powder, this is vinegar, for removing the smell from omena, because many people complain that omena smells too bad. There is the tomato paste, the oil, and the salt. Then what you're cooking, that is omena. We're going to boil the omena first so that we may remove the dirt in it, and for almost 15 minutes. So let's get into it. So we're going to put water to boil first before we put the omena. We're waiting for the water to boil so that we may put omena in it. So let me close so that okay, the water is already boiling, so we're going to add our omena in. And then we wait for it to sit for almost 2 minutes. Let's leave it. When it's ready, so we're going to draw away the water that we've used to boil it. Okay, so here is the vinegar. I love using this colorless vinegar. So I'm going to put some vinegar in the boiled omena so that it may remove the smell. Just a little amount. Then I'm going to make it even. After that, you're going to fry the omena to remove all the water that is in the omena. You can still use lemon instead of vinegar. It just serves the same purpose. Yeah, and it is readily available. Though vinegar is still cheap, and it's readily available in the supermarkets. Now it's ready. It's ready. I've just fried it. It's now dry. It got no water. Here first. So I'm going to put my oil. Just put enough oil for my omena. And I add the cumin seeds. Yeah, just enough. Yeah, then we wait for it. Wow, the aroma is just so fine. So we're waiting for the cumin seeds to cook. We get ready until they turn translucent, so that we may add the onions. Yeah, let's wait. So the cumin seeds are ready. So we're going to add the onion. So next I'm going to add the garlic. As you can see, it's turning golden. So I'm going to add my garlic. Here's the garlic. So I'm going to add my garlic over there. Then I add my tomatoes. Yeah. So let's wait for them to cook for a while. So next I'm going to add my cinnamon. I add a little amount, that is enough. I'm adding the curry powder right now. Yeah, the curry powder, and then the paprika. Then I'm going to add my tomato paste. Let me take a spoon. My tomato paste. Yeah, guess that's enough. So let's add salt. That's enough for here. So as you can see, it's making a very thick paste. That's what I love. Okay, so next we are going to add the zucchini. Then the beetroot. Then the grated carrots. Then the green pepper. And lastly, the coriander stems. Okay, so we wait for 2 minutes so that they may cook. Then we add our omena. Okay, it's now ready. 2 minutes. Wow, just look at it. Wow. Then we're now going to add our omena. It's now ready, so we're going to add the coriander leaves. I love using beetroot because it gives my food a good color. Yeah, and our food is ready.